Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2x equal to 2 cosine a square minus number 1 equals to 1 minus 2 sine a square. So if we look carefully about s, that's about number 2 multiplied by s over 2. Similar for this one. So for this one, I will change by this one, and this one I will change by this one. So for this one, you got about 1 minus number 2 sine s over 2 square. Similar for this one. Now we need to open parentheses. One minus one we cancel. 1 minus 1 we cancel. 2 divided by 2 we cancel. And this one we can write into sine of s over 2 over cosine of s over 2. And we put the power 2 in here. And this one we got about the absolute value sine of s over 2 over cosine of s over 2. So if we want to open the absolute value, we need to put about the sine of this one, because we don't know this is about positive or negative inside the absolute value. So we need to use about sine of this function in here. And we can open the absolute value in here. And now the integration of this one, we will have about number 2, and we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine of s over 2. Number 2, that's about coefficient of 1 over 2. 1 divided by 1 over 2, you got about number 2. And I will put negative sign going here. And then I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.